Hello everyone, welcome to the Laravel solution series. Today in this video I am going to explain you a problem and then I will provide the solution. So first understand the problem, right? So I have a simple project where I am creating a post. So let's get refresh, and this post is working exactly what I am looking for, right? So it's saving the title, description and stuff like that, right? So now I have decided to make the title column encrypted, right? So I have added this cost property on my model. So you are familiar with the cost property. It's similar to the mutator and accessor. Basically it's going to encrypt this title automatically, and when I will fetch this value it will be automatically decrypted, right? So we don't need to define any method for this, right? So now let's save this one and create new post, and it's going to throw us an error that payload is invalid, right? So first let me create a new post, submit this. Now let's go here and let's take eye on this title column. It would be encrypted, right? And yes, this title is now encrypted, right? It's good. As we applied the property, it's encrypted, right? But here let's go here and come, and there is an exception that payload is invalid, right? Let's take eye on this. Why my PC is get slow down. Wait for a moment. And yes, it's throwing that payload is invalid, right? So what's the solution? So let's then I commented this line. Let's comment this out and get refresh, right? So let me close other tabs from there, closing this WhatsApp. Attribute casting, by the way, if you are not familiar with the attribute casting, so you can watch my video where I completely explain that how you can implement this attribute casting, mutators and accessor and stuff like that, right? So this is full course where you can learn the Laravel. So the series name is Laravel step by step guide, right? But if you are familiar with the Hindi or Urdu, so you can watch my Urdu course, which is I'm shooting this on the Laravel 9. So it's full-fledged course where we will build the system after this course, and I will also tell you the and there are 92 videos are uploaded, and I will also tell you that how you can find the opportunities about this Laravel, and there are many more playlists on the Laravel, so you check them out and get the benefit from this channel. Okay, now let's come back, and now it's working fine, right? But the problem is here we are not decrypting this value, right? So whenever we will create new post, it's not going to encrypt it, right? But we want to encrypt this value, and we want to also encrypt this at the runtime. When we give it a refresh and we load our post, it will be auto decrypted. So how we can fix this issue? So basically issue is our first post. Our first post is not encrypted, right? Let's get refresh. Wait for a moment, and yes, our first post containing this Laravel, so it means that it's not encrypted. And when we added this cost property on our model, so it's basically decrypting this Laravel, but it's not a salt key. That's why it's throwing that payload is invalid. So it's throwing due to this one, right? So we need to encrypt this value, or we need to delete this value and re-enter it again, then it's going to work, right? Because it's automatically decrypting this column. So if I go here and delete this value, okay, delete, or you can also do one step here, right? So what's the step? You can add the mutator, you can add the accessor, right, like this, and then you can check the value here, that if the value is not encrypted, then you want to not decrypt, right? If the value is encrypted, you want to decrypt this value, right? So it's totally upon you. I am just explaining you that how you can do this, right? So now let's go here and give it a refresh. It's going to work perfectly. I hit a refresh here and it's going to work, right? And yes, create post is there. So it means that now it's working fine. So be sure that you added all of your titles encrypted form or whatever key you added this in the cost property. So you need to decrypt all of your encrypt all of your value, not only 1 or 2 or 5 instead of 1, right? So make sure that everything is correct. So if you like this video, please subscribe the YouTube channel and watch other Laravel solution videos where I explained everything. When I'm doing the project and I got any of the issue, I will explain it and then provide its solution. So hope you will like these videos. Bye bye.